Today we're going to crochet this very cute little hanging ornament. The green marking is embroidered on. There's a small heart on top and a little bottle cap. The yarn used is 4-ply cotton and the crochet hook used is 2.0 millimeters. Next, let's start crocheting. R1 means the first round, which has 8 single crochets. The X represents the single crochet. Let's begin the work. Start with a magic ring. Make a loop on your hand. Then pass the crochet hook through this loop. Bring the thread over. First, crochet a chain. The beginning chain does not count as the first stitch. Then we start crocheting like this. The first single crochet. The second single crochet. The third single crochet. The fourth single crochet. The fifth single crochet. Continue. The sixth single crochet. The seventh. The eighth. After crocheting 8 single crochets, pull the yarn out a little. Then tighten this yarn tail. After tightening, put the hook back through. Close with a slip stitch with the first stitch of this round. Then make a beginning chain. This completes the first round. Next, let's look at the second round. The chart for the second round. 5 volts, 3x. The V represents 2 single crochets in the same stitch as increase, so we crochet 5 increases, then crochet 3 single crochets. Let's start crocheting. First, make an increase in the first stitch, meaning you crochet 2 single crochets in this stitch. Continue. The third increase. The fourth increase. The fifth increase. Alright, for the remaining 3 stitches, crochet single crochets evenly. One, 2. 3. After finishing, join with a slip stitch to the first stitch of this round. Then make a beginning chain and move on to the third round. According to the chart, we'll be working into the front loops only. Crochet 2 single crochets in the front loop, 1 increase, 7 single crochets, another increase, and 2 more single crochets. So how do we crochet into the front loop? Let's turn it so this side faces us. There are 2 little bars, and we hug the one farther from us. Work through the front loop only. Alright, then crochet 2 single crochets. 1. For the stitch below, still take the single loop. 2. After completing these 2 stitches, continue. Next is an increase. After finishing the increase, continue with 7 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After the 7 increases, check the chart below. Next is a V symbol, followed by another increase. 1, 2. Finally, there are 2 single crochets. 1, 2.